Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the HP Smart Tank 580 printer page alignment error. Print alignment calibration guide. Fix 1. Print the alignment page. So using the printer control panel, make sure the HP Smart Tank 580 is powered on. Load clean unused plain white paper into the input tray. If a blinking A appear on the printer display, the printer is requesting as alignment automatically. Follow the print automat prompt to print the alignment page. So, using the HP Smart app, open the HP Smart app on your computer or mobile device. Select your HP Smart Tank 580 printer. Navigate to Print Quality, Tools, Printer Toolbox or Printer Settings. Then click Aligned Print Head or Aligned Printer and wait for the printer to print the alignment page. Fix 2. Scan the alignment page. So lift the scanner lid, place the printer alignment page face down on the scanner glass, then position the page according to the alignment mark or icon printer on the scanner bed. Ensure the page is placed flat and correctly aligned with the indicator corner guide. Close the scanner lid securely, press the scale button on the printer control panel or select scan alignment page in the HP Smart app. Now wait while the printer scans the page and read the calibration pattern. Fix 3. Complete the alignment calibration. Allow the printer a few moments to process the scanned alignment page. The printer will automatically adjust the print head align settings. A confirmation message may appear in the HP Smart app once the process is complete. If the printer display previous shows a blinking A, it shows disappeared after success calibration. Print a test document to verify that the text and image are properly aligned and printer clearly. Goodbye and thanks for watching.